High-speed transportation. That's the answer to our traffic problems, or is it? Last year on this very roadway, 6 persons lost their lives. Modern engineering is not enough. The efficient enforcement of traffic regulations is important in any traffic program. A well-trained, experienced officer makes this job look easy, but it's still dangerous work. It requires a lot of hard training and peak physical condition. Only men known to be qualified for it are assigned to this task. Officers for motorcycle enforcement work are carefully selected through a series of mental and physical tests. Physical condition is important. Prospective riders are carefully trained and expected to maintain their condition while assigned to this type of work. For your safety as motor officers, a knowledge of your equipment is necessary. Meet your new partner. Know it well. Your life may depend on it. This is your motor training class. Get all you can out of it. It's for your protection. These instructors are chosen for their ability to teach you the safe way to ride. Before you are permitted to ride, you must know your equipment. This is a Harley Davidson 74 cubic inch overhead valve motor. On the left side is the choke lever, the ignition coil, the voltage regulator, the spark plugs. These parts will be further explained to you during your training period. The gearshift lever with positions similar to those in your car. This rocker-type clutch is engaged when the forward pedal is pressed and disengaged when the rear pedal is pressed. The Siren is operated by pressing this pedal forward and forcing the Siren shaft against the rear tire. Important operating parts located on the right side of the motor will include the distributor, which is adjusted by the left handlebar grip turning left for retarding and to the right for advancement. For the novice, it is advisable to keep the spark adjustment about 1/2 advanced. This will prevent kicking of the starting pedal. The carburetor air cleaner should be checked for sand and grit. Frequent cleaning will ensure the efficient operation of your engine. Inside the air cleaner is the choke valve. It is operated from the left side of the engine and has 4 positions. This regulates the position of the valve and hence the amount of airflow. Other controls will be found on the top of the motor and are the central ignition lock and headlight switch. It has 4 positions. First to the left is parking lights on and ignition off. First to the right is ignition on. Second position to the right is ignition on and main lighting system on. Now we're back to neutral or switch off. First to the left parking, first right ignition, second right ignition and lights, and finally switch off. The speedometer is controlled by this electric stop button. This steering damper is for high speeds and rough roads. The electrical switch on the left handlebar controls the red light. This hand-operated lever actuates the front wheel brake, which is operated independently of the rear wheel brake. Now we're ready for our first ride. Watch closely and see how it's done. Whoops, hey, I missed that. Come on back and let's see how it's done. That's better. Kick starting lever down. The depressed pedal is not dangerous as the ratchet-type gears disengage, but be careful to press the pedal all the way down, as a kickback might injure your leg. Retract side stand and disengage the clutch. Shift lever to low gear. Advance gas throttle slightly. And engage the clutch by pressing forward. And you're off. Let's see it once more. Switch on, kick pedal down, clutch out, in gear, advance gas, engage clutch, and there you go on your solo hop. Let's see how these controls operate in actual riding. Throttle acceleration and deceleration. Slowing and controlling of speed with foot brake. Shifting gears for varied speeds and pickup. Clutch in and out while shifting. That's good, you're on your own. Be careful and good luck. A divisional order of the police department requires a speedometer calibration card for each motor used in enforcement work at least once every 90 days. This scientific checkup may often be the deciding factor in the court presentation of your case. Tests are given to all officers to assure proper clocking methods and enforcement techniques. As in all teaching, experience is most valuable. Watch your fellow officers and learn your job by doing. Make safety your first rule. Always keep your motor under control, and through better traffic enforcement, we can save lives.